Welcome back guys to another video. Today's video is a video about this lavalier microphone. This is the Maono. This is the Maono AU-100 lavalier microphone. You can use this for your smartphone, camera recorder, PC and your DSLR camera. I'm gonna not open this cause when you open it there's nothing like there's the things that are in it, and let's get to the point. We have a mixer adapter for connecting to mixers, and the microphone. This is the Maono microphone. This is the lavalier microphone I use for all of my vids. The quality of the microphone is so good. You have this pop filter, you just put it in, and we have this to turn it on and off. They put an extra attachment. For example, if you broke this, you have an extra one, and you have an extra pop filter too. And another extra thing is this case. For example, if you want to travel, when you're traveling, you just put all of these things in the case. And I put one extra thing in the case too. The unboxing that I did before this video, there's a previous video. The previous video was an unboxing about the Apple adapter. That's it. That's the Apple adapter. I put all of this in just this case. And that's it. I think this budget microphone is so good. Now let me do a sound test for you and hear my sound. Is it good or not? This is far away right now. As you hear, this is the sound of the microphone. It's pretty far away from me. This is like not, it's a medium distance, and this is pretty close. But for all of my vids, I edit the sound on Adobe Audition, because Adobe Audition or Adobe Premiere Pro. Maybe the sound on my videos, maybe they're better. The previous videos are all like the audio are all recorded on this lavalier microphone, but the sound maybe it's better than now cause this is unedited, and when you're editing it of course is the sound will be much better. And that's it actually. This is the microphone. I hope that it was a useful video. That I recommend this budget microphone. I bought it for $20. It's pretty cheap actually. Lavalier microphones are pretty cheap. And catch you guys in another video. Peace out.